In this video, I will show you how to delete old messages automatically on iPhone. So let's get started. Removing old messages from your iPhone or iPad frees up storage space. Deleting conversations one by one takes too much time and effort. So just follow these steps to delete old messages automatically on your iPhone. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Messages. Under Messages History, tap Keep Messages. Here you can select from the options 30 days, 1 year or forever. Just select the one as per your needs. Here you will get an option to delete messages. Once you tap delete, messages older than selected duration will be permanently deleted. Note that you cannot restore back those deleted messages. So if you are sure to delete the messages, then tap delete. So that is how you can delete old messages automatically on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.